delighted and very honored to receive a bipartisan congressional delegation from the US. Madam Leader Nancy Pelosi and senior Republican Congressman Sensenbrenner and all other 8 members are very dedicated to the cause of Tibet. So their presence here means a lot to us, not just to the Tibetan administration and Tibetans in exile, especially to 6 million Tibetans inside Tibet. It sends a message of hope, it encourages them, it inspires them. So we really want to thank them from taking the trouble of coming all the way to Dharamshala after they visited Tibet. So this is a special day, so we are very delighted.